Papa, you keep talking about this word called SEO. What is it?
Beta, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the practice of increasing traffic to a website through organic search engine results.
Hmm, that sounds complicated. Can you make it easy for me?
So, beta, think of it like this: when you search for something on Google, you want to find the best possible result, right? And SEO is about making your website the best possible result for a particular search term.
Oh, I get it now. So, how do people do SEO?
But there are a lot of different techniques. There are on-page SEO, there are off-page SEO, and technical SEO as well. But you know what? The basic idea is to create high-quality content that people want to read, they want to share, and then just make sure that it's very easy for the search engines to find and understand.
Oh, that makes sense. But why is SEO important?
So just imagine you have a website, and what if nobody is coming to your website? You want people to find your website on search engine, and you want people to come and check your content on the website. It is very essential. Also, it helps your website to get traffic, it helps to generate more leads, it means more business, and also it's a great way to build your digital presence.
Oh, Papa, but does SEO generate overnight results?
No, it's an organic activity, but at the same time, it's a long term strategy. So it can take several months, it can take few weeks also, but you just need to make sure that you have to be very consistent and you have to be very patient, and just make sure that you are doing the things correctly, continuously and consistently. You are definitely going to see the result.
Oh, I see. But should businesses invest in SEO?
Absolutely. Now see to it like this: if you're spending money on ads, your ads can stay for few days, few weeks, maybe couple of months. But what after that? You cannot keep spending money on ads. You want people to find you organically. And this is the very important reason that every company they should invest in SEO, because this is going to be a very smart move for any business in the long run.
Got it. But where is my organic result?
Now what's that?
A scoop of ice cream in this scorching heat.
Let's have it.